Acorn squash soup captures the essence of fall comfort food with its rich and creamy flavors. This recipe warms your soul and brings joy to your autumn evenings. From its delightful taste to its nutritional powerhouse status, this soup is a must-try for anyone seeking comfort and health. Wash and wipe the acorn squashes. Cut a small slice from the bottom, roast them in the oven for 30 minutes or until the flesh is tender. Let them cool for a few minutes. Then, cut the top around the stalk. You should be able to pick the top like a lid on a pot. Using a teaspoon, gently scoop the seeds and discard them. Then, scoop the flesh and keep it separate for the soup. You will want to be careful not to pierce the skin of the squash as we will use it as a pot to serve the soup in. Save the lid and the pot aside while we prepare the soup. In a large pot, sauté the onion and garlic until translucent. Add the roasted acorn squash flesh, vegetable broth, and bay leaf to the pot. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for around 15 minutes to allow the flavors to melt together. Then, add the cheese, milk, and cream. Season with salt and pepper. Combine well. Remove the bay leaf and blend the soup until smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust the seasoning. To serve the roasted acorn squash soup in acorn squash pots, carefully ladle the warm soup into the hollowed-out roasted acorn squash pots. The roasted squash pots act as beautiful edible bowls that enhance the soup's presentation. Garnish with a dollop of sour cream. I hope you will like and subscribe for more amazing videos.